Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Hope so you're good. Friends, today I'm going to show that a Facebook ads that is get more messages. Friends, if you have any products and you want to sell from Facebook page, so you need to set up sometimes Facebook ads, right? So how you can set up Facebook ads that is get more message for more sales, I'll show you in this video. So don't skip the video, please watch the whole video and go to on the computer screen. Friends, this is my Facebook profile, so I'll run the ads that is get more message, right? So I want to run the ads from Facebook page. Also, if you want, you can run the ads from Facebook Ads Manager. So to run the ads from Facebook page, you have to go to your Facebook page first. And also you have to click on here. Then you can click on create ads. Then you have to click on change from here. Then you have to select your goal. So my goal was get more message, right? After selecting, you have to click on save. Then you have to write it on ad creative. You have to give the descriptions, media and headline, right? So I have written a descriptions, but my one will be different from you because your product is different, your service is different, right? And it could be longer, no problem. Then you have to select your media from here. You can select up to 5 image or videos, right? So click on here, select media, and select this one. If it is here, then you can select from here. Otherwise, you can click on upload. Then you can select your video or image. After that, you can click on open, and it will be come here. Then you have to click on select. Now it is selected, right? Friends, headline you have to give some attractive. So I want to give like this. Free delivery if order 2. The Advantage Plus Creative I want to turn on this one because I want, beside of this, my target audience, I want the Facebook will show this ad same type of people who are interested to buy these products, right? And a special category, if you want, you can turn off this one. And obviously you should turn off this one because if you want to run these 4 types of ads on the time, you need permissions from Meta teams before running the ads, that is social issues, elections or politics, housing, employment or credit. If you run this type of ads without any permissions, so your ad will be disabled within a few seconds and also your ad account will be disabled. So be careful to run the ads, right? So I'm to turn on this one, special ad category. So I'm to turn on this one, Advantage Plus Creative, right? And message template, I'm to click on here. So if someone message like this, his or her name will be here, then it will be like that, hi. Maybe it will be here, Steve, right? Hi Steve, please let us know how we can help you. It will be like that. And from that side, it will be like that, I'm interested, can you tell me more? So you can write your plan or what you want to sell, how you want to sell like this. So I'm going to add this one. If you're interested to buy, you can give your address and phone number. We'll call you as soon as possible. But for you, it will be different from mine, as I told you before, right? After that, you have to click on save. It's done, right? And see on apps, where do you want to people to message you? If you want the people will message only Messenger, you can select that one only. It's already selected. But if you want, beside of Messenger, people will text you on Instagram, WhatsApp, then you can select also these 2, right? After that, you have to come on audience. You have to click on here. First, you have to select your gender. You can select men or women or both. Then you have to select age level. Age you can select 18 to 65 like this, or you can increase or decrease like this, my friends. Then location you can write like this. If you want that your ad will be shown on where that like China, you can show like this, China. Or if you want to show your ad will show on like India, you can show like this, in your country, right? But if you want to show your ad on specific states like New York or London, you can write London city, this one, or New York city. And also, if you want, you can select the mile, how many miles you want to cover, like whole London or like part of this, 15 mile or 16 mile or 20 mile. You can increase or decrease from here, right? After selecting country or states, you have to come down to select detailed targeting. You have to click on browse. Based on 3 categories like demographics, interest, behaviors, you can select your target audience. See, on the demographics, you will find here lots of categories. See, you have to expand all of this and you have to read it, and you have to read out which category is relevant to you. If you see this category is relevant to you, you have to give the check mark and it will be added on here. See, if you give the check mark, it will be added on here on your detailed targeting, right? See, my friends. So like this, you have to go on interest and you have to expand all of the category. You have to see it carefully because you are spending money on your ads, right? So you have to take your time to see all the categories to run your ads. And same like behaviors, you have to go over there and you have to select which one is relevant to your product or service. After that, you have to go back from here. Then you have to click on save audience. After click on save audience, you have to come down, you have to go on duration, right? If you want to run your ads per day, so you have to select this one. Then you have to select your cost per day, how much cost you want, like $2, $10 or $100 or $500, right? You can expand like this, my friends. But if you want, for how many days you want to run your ads, you can select this one, the second one. Like for 7 days, if you want to run these ads, so you can write here 7 days. But if you want to run your ads like 23 days, so you have to write like 23 days, 20 days, or 10 days, or 3 days, or 5 days, right? After that, you have to come on here, placements. So placement, I want to turn off this one because I don't want the Facebook will show this ad on Instagram and Messenger. But if you want, beside of Facebook, this ad will show on Instagram, Messenger, then you can turn it on, right? After that, you have to go on Meta Pixel. If you have a website or landing page of your Facebook page, so you can add it here, so next time it will be easier to target your audience. After that, you have to add your payment method. You have to add your name on the card number, validity date, and CVC number, which one you will find opposite of the card, right? After adding all of the things, you have to come on right hand side to see ad preview, like this, my friends. If you see it is okay, then you can click on publish. But if you see this is not okay, then you can edit from the left hand side, right? After that, you have to click on publish. But after click on publish, your ad will be on review on Meta Teams. Meta Teams, it will review it. If they see it is comply with the community guidelines of Facebook, then they will activate on a page. After that, you can see the performance from Ad Center of your Facebook page. So friends, like this, easily you can run Facebook ads campaign, that is get more messages. Friends, if you want to run get more message campaign for your Facebook page or for your product, you can email me or you can text me or you can comment me how you can select your target audience. So I'll show you in detail how you can select or whose target audience you should select based on your products. So friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.